The 25th Criminal Division of the Seoul Central District Court, presiding over the case of former President Yoon Suk Yeol, has said it will permit photography inside the courtroom during the upcoming second hearing, scheduled for 21 April. The first hearing, held on the 14th, was controversial because the court denied the photography request, causing suspicions of favoritism towards Yoon. In its defense, the court said it had been unable to consult the defendant ahead of the session, but confirmed that cameras would be permitted at the second hearing. Today, let's learn about the principle of public trial. Principle of public trials. The principle of public trials is a basic principle of modern legal systems, ensuring that the entire trial process is open to the public, and the South Korean Constitution also emphasizes this. Article 27, Paragraph 3 of the Constitution states, "All citizens shall have the right to a speedy trial, and the accused shall have the right to a public trial without delay in the absence of justifiable reasons to the contrary." While Article 109 of the Constitution stipulates, "Trials and decisions of the courts shall be open to the public." The fact that public trials are mentioned twice out of 130 articles shows how important the principle is in the Constitution. Pros and cons of public trials. In the past, people had to go to courts to watch trials, but with the advancement of information technology, we can now watch trials in real time at home, on television or online. Not all trials have been disclosed to the public yet, but the trial proceedings of the cases that attracted national attention have been broadcast. For the impeachment trial of former President Yoon Suk Yeol, the entire impeachment trial proceedings were broadcast. There are pros and cons to public trials. The positive aspects include increasing public participation in the trial and securing the fairness of the trial through public scrutiny, increasing trust in the judiciary in turn. Public trials can also enhance people's legal knowledge and help maintain the rule of constitutionalism, the principle of a country being governed by fundamental law. However, negative views on public trials are also significant. They point out that sensitive personal information or details of one's private life may be disclosed in public trials, and that the honor or personality of those involved in the case may be infringed. Principles of public trials overseas. In addition to Korea, the principle of public trials is in place in many countries. In Germany, although no provision for public trials is stipulated in the basic law, it is acknowledged as an element of a democratic state and constitutional rule. In the United Kingdom, the principle is considered part of the unwritten constitution.